guys, welcome back to my channel, Just Missy. Today is going to be a clean and undecorate with me. We're going to get rid of all of the fall decor in preparation for Christmas decor. So we have a lot of undecorating to do. And with all of the undecorating, a lot of dusting and dusting and vacuuming. So today is going to have some great cleaning motivation. We're going to be getting rid of all of the fall stuff, making it spick and span clean and prepared and ready for all of the cutesy Christmas stuff to come. So, if you're new here, hi, my name is Missy. Welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. If you love homemaking, home decor, decorating, hauls, and cooking, this is the channel for you. I just invite you to subscribe. It's free, and I'm really glad to have you become part of the Love You tribe, and we have a really good time here, so I don't think you'll be sorry not to be a little, but you know. Gotta love yourself and what you do, right? And I love homemaking. You have to be in love with your home to make it beautiful. So that's my motto. So instead of blabbing, let's clean and undecorate. So my husband has to bring in my fall box to put all of my things in. He said he would get it for me tonight. So I don't want to wait for the box to be in the house. So what I'm going to have to do is just undecorate my spaces, and I'm going to make a little pile on the couch and put everything, but I'm going to wrap everything and everything. So it's going to sit on the couch. So probably the end of this, when I vacuum and all this, you're going to see this big pile of stuff on the couch. Just know that that's going in a box later tonight when he gets home from work and brings me in my huge box that I can't lift. But I'm not waiting. So we're going to start here with the undecorating. Okay, lovies. It is the next day. So yesterday, my mom stopped over. We went for a beautiful fall walk. I made lunch and time just got away from me, and I'd rather spend time doing things that I really enjoy. And I'll get back to this. So the only good thing is, though, I wonder if I move out of the way. Yeah. My husband was able to bring in the this thing is huge. My huge tote for all of my fall stuff. So we're going to continue to de-decorate. I have one more place to do, which is my pretty shelf over my table. And then I gotta wrap all the glass stuff and then get everything in the tote. And then of course we need to sweep, mop, vacuum, all that good stuff. So we're almost there. So this is day 2, and you know, life happens and you just kind of have to go with the flow. So this is day 2 of undecorate and clean with me. So we're going to get all of this done. I gotta wrap up like this kind of stuff, like all my glass stuff. I gotta get wrapped up so I can get it in that tote, and then tonight my husband can take the tote and go put it in the shed. So we're almost there. We are getting there. And then I need to straighten up my living room. I need to sweep and mop and, you know, all the stuff. And then we will have a clean, blank slate to decorate for Christmas. I'm so stinking excited. And I need to make my Christmas wreath too. So lots of fun things coming. So let's get started. Okay, Libbies, I got the place decorated and cleaned up, and I moved all of my plants from that spot because if you are an OG, then you know that that is the spot where we always put our Christmas tree. So I'm getting that cleared out and ready. I'm going to be asking my husband if he'd be willing to move the living room around. We've had the living room like this for quite a long time, and I'd like to have something fresh and new. But if not, I have it prepared, mopped, cleaned, and ready to go for the tree to go up this weekend because that is the perfect spot for it in our living room as is. If we move it around, we might be able to put it somewhere else. But I got my plants in their new homes, their temporary home for the Christmas tree. So we are ready. I have a clean slate to put all of the fun and wonderful Christmas things up. I will be doing that over the weekend, so you probably will get the first clean and Christmas decorate with me in my series of next week. I'm so stinking excited. I hope you are too. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys, while I undecorated and cleaned up my mobile home. And as I always say, whether God blesses you with a mobile home or a mansion, be grateful for whatever He has given you, and I know He will bless you with more. I love you guys. You take care of you, and I will be talking to you soon in the next video. It'll be a Christmas one. I'll see you there. Bye, guys.